back again. Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much, guys, for coming back. My name is Cynthia. If you're watching my video for the first time, you're welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing us how to make this beautiful jumpsuit. I have 4 yards of African prints here. So go ahead and fold our fabric. Fold your fabric into this way. I'm using 2 yards for the front and 2 yards for the back. So you can just leave it like that because there's no point splitting it into 2 anyway. So I will go ahead and fold it. Not really triangle. I will take it like so. Just turn it like so. If you want it very big, it's up to you. You adjust it to how wide you want it. See the way I folded it. You just shift it from the normal position a little bit to have that A-line shape at the bottom part. Alright, we'll go ahead and place the measurement. I'll first mark 4 inches. I'll mark 4 inches all the way from the top here to the length. I'm basically cutting the front and the back together. Connect the 4 inches together. The shoulder measurement is 16 inches divided by 2 is 8 inches. So I'll go to this side here. I'll look for where 8 inches fall into. I'll make a straight line here. I will mark 3.5 inches for the neck width. I'll mark 1.5 inches for the back depth. And the front is V neckline. I'll mark 7 inches for the front depth. I'll go ahead and connect it. This is the back neckline. And then this is the front. This is the front. I'll go to the shoulder side there. I'll mark 1.5 inches for shoulder slope. You can mark 1 inch if you want. I want to mark 1.5 inches. So we connect it to the neckline. Right from the shoulder slope, I'll mark my armhole measurement. To get your armhole measurement, you divide your bust measurement by 6 plus 1.5 inches. The one I'm working with is 8.5 inches. I'll mark 8.5 inches here. I'll make a straight line here. And my waist is 17.5 inches. I won't be needing this waistline. I'm just marking it to see if this place is wide enough. I'll finish up with this side now. So what I have right on the shoulder here is 8.5 inches. I will go to the chest line and still mark this 8.5 inches there. I will connect it up. So I will place 1/4 of my bust measurement here plus 1 inch for ease. 1/4 of my bust measurement is 10.5 inches. I will add 1 inch for ease, that's 11.5 inches, plus 1 inch sewing allowance. That's 12.5 inches. So I'll mark 12.5 inches right here. Make sure this place is wide enough to accommodate your chest. I'll look for the midpoint of the armhole. The midpoint is 4.25. Right from this 4.25, we come inside by 1/2 inch. I will connect it. This is my back armhole, and then this is my front armhole because I went inside by 1/2 inch. So the waistline, I'm not placing any measurement right on the waistline. It's very wide. It's wide enough to accommodate my waist measurement. By the time I add belt to it, it will shaping up the waist. From waist to hip is 9 inches. I'll just mark it. My waist to crouch is 11.5 inches. To get your crotch line, you divide the hip measurement by 4. Mine is 46 inches. Divided by 4 is 11.5 inches. Because it's a jumpsuit, I'll add extra 3 inches to it. 3 plus 11 is 14.5 inches. So yeah, 14.5 inches is my crotch line. I'll just take it out here. So this is my crouch line, and this is my hip line. So from this angle, I will mark 1 inch here, and then connect it right from the hip line. I will take the length of the jumpsuit. My jumpsuit length is 61 inches plus sewing allowance. So for the waistline, I want it to be a little bit shaping. I went inside by 1 inch from the waistline. I will use this one for the belt. So the one I cut out here, I will use it for the belt. Folded into 2 is 3.5 inches. I will use 1/2 inch to stitch it round. So you just shaping out the mount like so. And the belt is 33 inches. I'll come down 1 inch from the waistline. This is where we attach my pocket. I'll make a notch here. Alright guys, so I'm going to be cutting out the front side. I'll be reducing the front side by 1 inch. I'll mark 1 inch all through to the length. So this is the front side. I split this side open. So I've cut out 1 inch from the front side here. And I've cut out the front neckline also. This is my pocket. I have 4 pockets here. You just put your hand like so, trace it out and cut your pocket. So I will go ahead and stitch it. This is my sewing allowance. So I'll stitch out this place with my sewing allowance 3/4 of an inch. And then for the back side, I'll be adding zip to the back side. I will stitch up here with 3/4 of an inch. That's my sewing allowance. And attach my zip with 3/4 of an inch on the side. Before I attach my zip, I will hem the neckline with a bias tape. I will use a bias tape to hem the front and the back neckline. I will also add my pocket. This is the notch I made earlier. I will place my pocket like so, right side facing right side. Do the same thing for this side. I will stitch it with 3/4 of an inch. And stitch this side with 3/4 of an inch. I will repeat the same thing for the front side. So guys, I've turned the neckline. I also add the zip to the back side. I turn my armhole as well because it's sleeveless dress. This is the pocket. This is the back side. And this is the front. So I will go ahead and then join them together, the front and the back together. So this is the belt I cut out earlier. I stitch one side and then turn it inside out. I use 1/2 inch to stitch it like so and turn it inside out. So I will locate the waistline. So remember, I went down 1 inch from the waistline to attach my pocket. So we attach my belt, take it inside like so. I'll go up a little bit. I'll just take it up. I will place this on the side also. So I will take the back side, lay it against the front side, right side facing right side. And use 1 inch to join the side. 1 inch is my sewing allowance. I will take it from the armpit to the pocket and bring it all the way to the length. I'll do the same thing for this side and stitch the shoulders with 1/2 inch. So after stitching the side, I will join the crouch together. I'll match the side seam here together. I will double stitch it here, take it to this side, come back to this side and stitch it from here to the other side. After I've done that, I'll hem the bottom part with 1 inch. So guys, I'm done joining the side in the crotch line. So this is my belt. And my pockets is here. That's it for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're here for the first time. Like and share this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Love you all. Bye.